Everybody and hello, everybody. Nah, not really. Hello, everybody. How are you doing? Today we're coding Java. Oh, awesome. Multiplayer. Yeah, everybody wants to code Java multiplayer, and I thought let's make a tutorial about that. So you need to make a project. I recommend you know quite a bit of Java first before you start with this. But yeah, I really recommend you to watch the whole thing. Why not watch the whole thing? Multiplayer. So, multiplayer. Just multiplayer game. You can call it whatever you want to. Yeah. And then you press finish. Then you need to go to multiplayer game, and then you need to make a package. So I'm just gonna call this com dot multiplayer game like this. Just make this whatever you want, and then main. Let's do that. Class that we're gonna call point. You're also gonna do a new package that we're just gonna server. You're gonna call it, more complicated thing. I'm just gonna call it server. Then we're gonna make a class called server. But I think we'll start bit coding with server because it's not too hard. So, the first thing you code is, of course, network. So this is how you do it. So server socket. I just called server. I need to call it server. Okay. See, actually, need to make it static. Else this will not work. And then we need to public static void string args. But yeah, let's do that there. But now we should do a bit of server equals new server socket here. So what we're pretty much doing is we're starting like the server's connections. So the server will then connect with the client. So it's kind of the server's connection. It's kind of hard to explain, but you'll get it if you play it. So I'm just gonna go with that port, but you can always change it to something. We will get to more complicated things in the future. So static socket, I can call it sock. Let's import that Control-Shift-O. Sock equals new socket. Now what we need to do is ser that accept. That makes oops. It should be like this here. Shift there. Yeah, what it does is the socket is really the thing that makes the connections between the clients. So it gets kind of the connections from the server socket. But it will be easier to understand because it's really, not easy to explain. So now, socks are shipped. Okay, so now what we should do is we should make a static input. Static input stream for now. So what we will do with that is data input stream. Actually, whoops. Data. What this will do is in the client we will make a data output stream. So and then the input stream will read the output stream. So what you do when you it's like if you have an output stream and then do like out.write int, with the output stream, you send the object to the server, or if you have an output stream on the server, you send it to the client, the objects, and then with the input stream, you receive the objects. That's pretty important if you understand it. Yep. So new data input stream, and then we can do serve. Oh, so not serve. Sock. Dot get input stream. So that will make that work. So now we have coded this. So now we should start doing the basics. So see how much we're running here. We are running 5 minutes. Should not be a problem. Enable. Maybe at 15 minutes. But, you know, I don't know. I try to be fast. But you guys also want to know that. Here I'm just gonna do a bit of my style. I know with let's say 3 what am I doing? I'm making it 640. Okay. Static divided by 12 with divided by 12 times 9, and then we shall do a scale thingy. Okay, so what that will do is swell it up a bit. So now we shall do a public. No, actually, yeah, public. No. Private. Yeah, private. Synchronized. What am I typing in here? Synchronized. Okay, now it's easier. I don't know. I'm always typing that word. And then we need to do right. That will, if you're just getting into game programming, what I'm doing here is making the width and extending the canvas. Canvas will help us put the object on screen, and runnable will make the game loop so that, well, the loop is the heart of the game. What it will do is it will do stuff that we're gonna get into, but it's the game loop. You should understand that. If not, we're gonna get into that more details in the future. So min equals true, and we need to do the private thread here. Private thread like that, and then thread equals new thread. This, yeah, I will just make what. So the third is makes a little background process to our application that will make the game run much faster. It's really good, and you definitely need it. Thread start. Then I can just kind of copy this. I know it's not the same, but it's kind of the same here. Public synchronized void stop and running equals like this, and thread.join. So here we need a try and catch. If you don't want to know what a try and catch is you will try to do a thing, but then if it gets an error, if it has an error, then it will do whatever you say here. So we can do system out that print line. Maybe it's a big error in the stop, but it's not do that because that's a bit dumb. Yeah. See everything nice and clean. Yep. We're already getting to the main things on the game. Just check our time. We are maybe into 3 minutes in this, but hope I can get something ready for. So here, just Go to run method while running. So when the game is when it's running, we need to update it and do other stuff, and we also need to render it. So before we get to that, we need to do a really important thing. That's public static void main string args, because that's in a really important thing. We need to make a window. So client game equals, yeah, you can call it whatever you want, but I recommend the game because I always use game. I don't know why. So game dot set set preferred. So there it is. Let's do new dimension with yeah, that's right. With scale. Okay, that should be that. Yeah, I think that's that. Yeah, that's good. That's good. Minimum size and maximum. I still need to make the little frame showing up. So here we're just setting the sizes of them. So let's do game dot. So we need to do a J frame, and let's call it F. Whatever. I used to call it frame all the time, so let's call it frame. You can call it whatever you want. Well, almost not. Cannot call it, because that doesn't work. But like this, yeah, without spaces. Okay, so now we're gonna set title. So what do you want here? What do you want? I can't hear the comments. So I'm just gonna make them, but this is the game title that's gonna be shown up here. I have a Windows 8, so it's shown up here. But if you have a Windows 7, it's shown somewhere here in the corner. So yeah, you can change it to whatever you want. How much time do we have? Okay, we have not much time. Let's do a bit coding. So set add actually. Oops, let me do this faster. Okay, add again here, and then frame dot path. I think it is. Then we need to do lots of stuff. So oops. Frame dot set resize bulb is gonna be equal to false. Good, that because that will mess up all things. Set default close operation to keyframe dot exit on close, and then we're gonna set the next one to frame dot set and set visible, visible, and then I just remembered what it was. It was frame set location relative to frame set location null, because that will make it in the middle, which equals nil. Yeah, let's create that there. So we have everything. Yep, we have everything right. So we will still do one thing, and there's only one thing that I didn't remember. It's game dot start. I think it is start. There. Now it should work. Well, not yet, but kind of. So buffer. Buffer strategy. Equals this get buff quality. So this I will code really fast. I will explain it more in the next episode because my computer is maybe not feeling so good when I'm going solo. So let's just go this fast. I will explain more. So buffer strategies just make it so it will not flicker and do that not good stuff, in the game. I really need to do this fast. Fast. 3. And let's record this, and then let's do graphics. G equals this. Get graphics. And then G does this pipes. And BS dot sugar. What we should now see here is if we should at least see a window. And let's see, we see a window. And now we're gonna do the most awesome stuff, getting a little thing showing up on the screen. So it's just a black screen now. Or will be. This is just some code that you don't really need to care about, but you always need to do this. It's just to make it not flicker, kind of, or that stuff. Well, yeah, kind of. Let's type in the RPG. Here we have it. And then the only thing that we need to do, come on, is g.draw image, nil, and get width, get height, and then null. So now, if this works, let's say hooray, hooray, and it worked. So I'm gonna end the episode now. Bye bye, guys. See you in the next Minecraft or coding episode, whatever. See you in the next episode. Comment, like, and subscribe. Remember that. Bye!